The BMW R1300 GS Pista appears to be a special edition model based on the 2025 BMW R1300 GS. Increased performance beyond the already powerful 1300cc with cold boxer engine. Use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber for bodywork, titanium exhausts, and lighter wheels. The BMW R1300 GS Pista, customized by Puig, is a track-oriented reimagination of the adventure classic. It incorporates Puig's performance-focused kit, including aerodynamic spoilers, a compact belly pan, and the redesigned tank cover for enhanced rider control. Upgrades like Rotorbox carbon wheels, Pirelli Diablo tires, and Galfa brake discs improve agility, braking, and overall handling. A smaller sport windscreen and new deflectors optimize airflow, reducing drag and boosting stability. This concept is aimed at blending agility and power with track-ready aerodynamics and safety. The BMW R1300 GS is an evolution of the GS lineage, offering significant updates in design, performance, and technology. It introduces a lighter and more compact engine, producing 145 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque, combined with a redesigned frame and suspension system for improved handling both on and off-road. The engine features BMW ShiftCam technology, optimizing performance across the rev range, while the gearbox's repositioning under the engine improves weight distribution. The BMW R1300 GS Pista Puig aims to combine adventure touring versatility with track-ready performance. It's ideal for riders seeking a high-performance dual-purpose machine, though purists might feel it veers too far from the GS's traditional roots. A definitive judgment will depend on real-world reviews